Hi everyone, David Jackson here, slingandstonemarketing.com, and in this video I'm going to go over SEO, also known as search engine optimization. I'll tell you what it is, I'll tell you how it's used in business, what are some of the things that you need to make sure that you avoid, and how to use it effectively in marketing your business. So first let's define what SEO is. You have a search engine such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. You can also throw in YouTube, which is a video search engine, and I would even include Amazon because it is a huge e-commerce platform and it's basically a product search engine. And then you want to optimize, so you want to get the best result so that you can show up in the top spot on any of these search engines, which will then drive more traffic to your website or your product. Now, SEO is primarily used to drive traffic organically to a website. So you have things that are called on-page ranking factors. These would be things that you have direct control of, and they would be things like the page title, the meta description, the text that you use on the page, and things like that. Things that are on your website that you have direct control over. And then you have off-page ranking factors as well, which are things that are outside of your direct control. So these would be things like links that are pointing to your website, known as backlinks, which I will go over in a future video, and how much authority your website has. Off-page ranking factors are the most important because they are outside of your control, and that's exactly what Google likes. That way you can't try to manipulate the rankings in any way. But if you do effective marketing, that will help establish your site as an authority site and generate more backlinks naturally. Alright, for the pitfalls, I will try and stay off of my soapbox. I can go into like maybe an hour rant on some of the things that you need to look out for and what some of the people out there are teaching that are just not right and can potentially hurt your website in terms of getting it ranked. But some of the things you want to look out for is focusing on keyword rankings. Now, keyword ranking should only be a barometer that tells you how well your website is performing in terms of generating organic traffic. It is not a KPI because it is not directly related to your sales and revenue. You need to think about the people that you are targeting and not some search engine spider. If you know your audience and get inside their head, you will naturally use the keywords that they will use in their search, and then you will rank for them. Because I never heard of a Google bot ever spending any money on anyone's website, so it's best to just focus on the people. Using tactics that focus on rankings can actually lead to your website getting banned. Things like private blog networks, paying for backlinks, and things like that are against Google's rules if you want your site to be indexed. Panda and Penguin back in 2010 and 2011 shook up the SEO world with de-indexing sites that were doing these types of things to boost their rankings. So it's best to stay away from any tactics whose sole purpose is to rank your site higher for a given keyword. So how can you use SEO to improve the growth of your business? Well, first you need to know your audience. You should produce content that they will enjoy and engage with. This will create off-page ranking factors, meaning that people will start sharing your content on other platforms, generating links. Other blogs will pick up your content and will link to them as another resource that people can go to if they want to learn more. You should also use your desired keywords. It's okay to have a group of closely related keywords that are used naturally within your content, as long as you're not keyword stuffing, which is saying things like, this garlic press is the best garlic press because when you want to press garlic, you should use a garlic press like this. You're just trying to use your keywords in an unnatural way and not using any pronouns. And also looking at other on-page factors, such as your title tag and your meta description. Those are things that you need to write for humans as well. Your title tag is what gets shown on the search engine results page, and your meta description is usually the description that appears below it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It will give me an opportunity to help others. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you click the subscribe button. And if you have any questions about problems that you're having in marketing your business, you can leave them below in the comment box and I would love to help you out. I thank you for taking your time to watch this, and I will see you in the next video.